Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my 5K Quickly review. So 5K Quickly is a PLI course that is going to give you how to build an email list and get more than 5,000 subscribers and earn more than 33,000 per month. So it's a scalable system that allows anyone to build rapidly an email list. So this is the bonus page. I have given the bonus page link in the description box below. Just click on that bonus page link, and if you want to purchase the product, just click on any of this orange button. That will take you to the sales page and you can get the product from here. So this is how the bonus page looks like. So before that, I'm going to give you some bonuses. So first one is bonus one is 100 blog command tactics. So you can learn how to command or question or reply to any of your blogs or any blog members in any blogs. You can next one is blog post that sells. So you can market in the blog also. If you are an affiliate marketer or any marketer, if you want to promote your product, you should know how to write a blog. And blog plays an important role in an affiliate market especially or online marketing. So if you post on the blog and people get to attract your blogs and people read more blogs and so with that you can start getting more sales and traffic. So blog post that sells. Then bonus three will be Google AdSense for blogs. So Google AdSense is how to add rank in Google and top rank. That's for Google AdSense. So how, in which way you can get your blogs to the first rank, that will be given in the Google AdSense for blogs. And then multimedia mastery. So multimedia mastery will teach you how to get traffic and sales in multimedia social media or any platform media platform. So it will teach you everything to get more sales and traffic. So bonus 5 will be the rapid online profit. So this will teach you, give you complete course about how to gain from online. So if you are doing an online marketing or an email marketing, list building, anything, you can just get this. This will give you the rapid offline profits. So just click on this any of this orange button, that will take you to the sales page. So these are the custom made bonuses especially made for you. You can purchase the product from here. So this is how the sales page looks like. So you can create, so this will give you a legit course that will help you build your list to 500 strong, which will finally make your first profits online and turn them into a legitimate full income. So this is the smartest and most cost effective manner possible. So you simply can't succeed in network and marketing. So this is going to teach you 0 to 5,000 list, which will finally make you living the full-time laptop lifestyle. So they have created 8 is it literally from top to bottom. They'll teach you everything to how to build an email list. So an email list works because this works because understanding what you are doing, this builds the foundation for your profitable online business. You learn how to work on a funnel and discover the easiest way to start crafting your own funnel and make changes to what suits you best. Setting up your funnel. Here you'll get the exact step-by-step, easy to follow with a lot of graphics blueprint on how to set up your funnel and getting it ready for you to start driving traffic to collect the leads. After you have set up your funnel, you really see how easy it is to build your list and explore it to the next level. This is where really exhausting stuff happens. During this step, you'll discover how easy it is to get almost free traffic to subscribe your list and keep growing from the seeds you planted in step 1 and step 2. So this is a 5,000 subscriber and you can earn more than $33,000 per month. So it's a complete. This course is called 5K quickly. You can enroll now just by clicking on this orange button. So the things you are going to get, and this is one benefit. One is step-by-step guide with plenty of graphics to help you understand the flow of funnel and clearly see why the exact funnel is being used. The benefit two will be step-by-step guide with plenty of graphics to help you set up funnel, tractor or rotator and also responder. Benefit 3 will be step-by-step guide to help you drive traffic to option to your newsletter using the most effective, almost free and fastest method to build your list to 5,000 and beyond. So benefit 5 will be the complete support. There you'll get 24/7 support. So it works for newbie friendly, satisfied students, or they're also giving you money back guarantee. That too for they're charging you only $5 and it's very affordable price. So the price comes in. So the front end prices 5K quickly will be $6. So you can build from zero subscriber to 5,000 subscribers. This course will give you specific path to follow and do this and do that, and they'll show you the detailed plan to take your zero subscriber to 5,000 subscriber. Next will be OTO1 Instant Swipe Package. A super affiliate director of top performing affiliate products plus license to use this personal proven promotional material. Then OTO2 will be done for your pages. So the value of this is $67, OTO1 is $27. So OTO2 will be done for your pages. The value of this is $67. It's 180 professional designed attractive squeeze page templates that are going to walk your visitors and convert them into leads. So this works in any niche, and whether you are in health, beauty, internet marketing, dating, forex, or dog niche, this super flexible squeeze page templates will do the job. So the OTO3 is traffic hack. Valid this is $47 with downside price is $27. So you can multiply your results with less work, and the strategy you must understand before activating your first traffic campaign ever. So they will give you traffic rules, two type of traffic, three levels of traffic, rollout strategy, game plan for success, and much more. So OTO4 will be resell rights that value is $197, so you can keep it 100% commission. You can resell or rebrand it as your own product. So just click on any of this orange button that will take you to the sales page. So they are also giving you a money back guarantee. So this gives you a complete structure and detailed course about how to earn subscribers. So the lesson comes with step-by-step guides, video assignments, worksheets and templates. So don't forget to purchase farm mailing so that you can grab all of my bonuses. Thank you. See you in the next.